Max Learns Sign Language by Adria F. Klein. Illustrated by Myrnie Gallagher Cole. Max and Susan are good friends. Susan cannot hear. She is deaf. Like many deaf people, she makes special signs with her hands to talk. Max wants to learn how to talk with his hands. Max takes a sign language class after school. The teacher signs hello. Max signs hello too. The teacher shows Max the sign for friend. He teaches Max a lot of signs. The teacher gives Max a book about sign language. Max signs thank you. Max takes the book home. He practices the signs for park and bike. He practices other signs too. The next morning, Max sees Susan in the hall. They both make the sign for hello. Max makes the sign for friend. Susan makes the sign for friend too. Max asks Susan if she wants to ride her bike to the park. Susan signs yes. Susan teaches Max new signs every day. Max and Susan are good friends.
Awesome job, boys and girls. Now we're going to do the AR test for Max Learns Sign Language. So question number 1, boys and girls, says, Susan talks with her hands because she is A, blind, B, very shy, C, from another country, or D, deaf. Yes, boys and girls, D, she is deaf. Question number 2. Max wants to learn to talk with his hands, so he A, looks at his computer, B, takes a class, C, goes to the library, or D, asks Susan's parents for help. What is it that Max does? Yes, good job. He takes a class. Number 3, Max signs thank you when the teacher A, fixes his watch, B, shares a cookie with him, C, gives him a book, or D, gives him an A on all his work. Good job. Gives him a book. Question number 4. When Max sees Susan in the hall, they make the signs for A, hello and friend, B, hungry and lunch, C, happy and recess, or D, sunny and play. Good job. Yes, they do the sign for hello and friend. Now question number 5. Max asks Susan if she wants to A, ride her bike to the park, B, play on his soccer team, C, go swimming, or D, do their homework together. Yes, ride her bike to the park. I'm going to give this book 4 stars because I thought it was pretty cool, boys and girls. And we got 100. Awesome job.